Good morning. It is December 30th and it's 4:19 right now and we are leaving Los Angeles. My favorite person ever, Lauren, dropped us off and we will see y'all in a bit. So long. You should not have this much energy at 4 a.m. Good morning from Miami. Today is day one of our Miami. It's 10 a.m. We are packing our stuff, heading to our next location. Our Airbnb was super crappy and we're actually really disappointed. Like the pictures look so great, we got a good deal. So that's probably why. Today we're kind of outside of Miami Beach, which we shouldn't have really done either. We're gonna be going to get breakfast and then we're gonna go to the beach. We may jet ski, so if we jet ski, we'll take you along with us. Get some sun. It's New Year's Eve. The driver is actually here, isn't it? Just got to where we're eating front porch. We're gonna kind of try and rush and then yate. So we just finished our food. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the Lowe's Hotel, meet my friends, and then we're gonna go on the boat. Where are we going? To the what are we doing? Having fun. What day is it? Oh, fuck. Okay, guys, so we're in the Uber now. We're headed to, where are we going? We're just gonna go to the beach. Alright guys, so we just got to the marina. Super excited. Welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Welcome to day 2.
Hello.
Hi, thank you so much. So now we're gonna get our shoes on and we are going to hit the beach. So this is my swimsuit. We're also really hungry and we haven't eaten at all. So we're about to get some food. I think he said it was Hyros. Santa Barbara combo plate.
Make it awkward. That's why I'm like, I really like you.
I love it. It's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful piece. Did you make these?
Me and Lakey. Fuck the haters.
Fuck the haters. Haters are my motive. Juice. We are here. It's poppin'. So we just got to Fountainbleau. What's up guys? So I'm about to check out right now and I haven't had my camera in like 2 days. This has been the craziest trip ever. So hey, if you're wondering what happened, I'm about to fill you in on a story time, or I'll just link it in the description of this video. All good vibes today. My new year has been
Is it really important?
Yep, it is very important.
Get it.
Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm from the Midwest. watching Peace Out Fountainbleau by Miami.